Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just wanted to record a quick tutorial for you guys that I'm going to be doing. I have a Christmas party slash dinner slash ugly sweater contest tonight, and I just wanted to share really quick. I just want to call it my holiday makeup look, since I know a lot of other vloggers are doing it and makeup artists are doing it as well, so I said, hey, why not join in the fun as well. I don't have an ugly sweater, but I do have a shirt that I wouldn't wear on a regular basis. Don't know if you guys can see my rocking around in my Christmas tree shirt. So just stay tuned and see the finished look. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so I noticed my video got cut off again. So let's hope, since Christmas is 3 days away, I get a new memory card with extra memory on it and I can record a full video for you guys. But this is the finished look. I barely had anything left to do. I was just cleaning the bottom of my eyes with some concealer. I did my bronzer, highlighter, and my blush, and I used these two colors to do my lips. I usually don't do bold eyes with bold lips, but I did get this idea from Jaclyn Hill watching her Christmas makeup tutorial, and I totally agree that I'm one for nudes with bold eyes, but I just couldn't resist to put a twist of my own to my Christmas look. And I did copy off a little bit, in the sense that I used Ruby Woo from MAC, and I did use Rich Red from Elf Cosmetics. So I mixed those two because I felt like the one from Elf is a much softer red, not that deep red, and I wanted to define it a little more. A Ruby Woo from MAC, it is super pigmented, so I did mix the two together, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please share, like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on my Instagram page at glamorousfeffy_. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for staying tuned.